Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cultivate wheatgrass at home. First, select premium organic wheat berries, ensuring they are specifically for sprouting. Next, soak about 1 cup of these berries in cool water for 8 to 12 hours or overnight. This initial step awakens the seeds. Then, prepare your growing tray by adding a 1-inch layer of organic potting mix. This provides the perfect foundation for healthy roots. After soaking, drain and rinse your wheat berries well. Now, gently spread them in a single, even layer across the soil in your tray. You don't need to cover them with more soil. Lightly mist the seeds with water. Then, cover the tray with a clear lid or plastic wrap to create a mini greenhouse effect, maintaining high humidity for the first few days. This encourages rapid germination. Once your wheatgrass sprouts, remove the cover and continue to mist it daily, ensuring the soil remains damp but not waterlogged. Place the tray in a spot with indirect sunlight, avoiding harsh direct sun. Your wheatgrass will be ready to harvest in about 7 to 10 days, typically when it reaches a height of 6 to 8 inches. Use sharp scissors to cut the blades just above the soil line. After your first harvest, you can often get a second growth from the same tray. Just continue watering the remaining roots for a few more days. The second yield might be slightly less robust, but still valuable. Always clean your growing trays thoroughly with a mild bleach solution between plantings. This prevents mold and ensures a healthy environment for your next batch of fresh, vibrant wheatgrass.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.